All right, welcome everybody back to Big 5 Electronics. A lot of people have been asking us about kits for the Can-Am X3. This is a Phase 5 kit from Kicker and SSV Works. It's a plug-and-play connect kit that comes with pretty much everything you need in a box to get you going. So I'm going to open up the box and see what's inside. I'm using my little blade over here. Sorry. All right, so let's see what's in the box. A bunch of bags. All right, so this is the first piece that we see here. I'm going to open it up. It doesn't really have a label on the box. So it seems like we got the wiring harness here. We've got all the mounting hardware, little brackets and stuff. They come in this little bag. I'm not going to open up this whole bag right here, but these looks like the brackets right here. This first box looks like it is the pods. So these are the 6.5-inch pods with the Kicker and SSV logos on them. This comes ×2. I'm not going to take out the second one. You guys can see that it's inside. So that's what the pod looks like. This is where the brackets would go to mount onto the rear. And then, just so you guys see too, that it comes with all the assembly, the directions, pretty much everything you need step by step in order to be a DIY kind of guy, or you can have a professional installation done as well. So these are all the components that it comes with. We've already opened up the rear panel cage mount speaker pods. And let's continue on to see what else they've got in here. This right here. All right, these are cool. These are the front pods. These are going to be the front pods that come in. These are the smaller speakers. Little front pods, SSV Works. Okay, so we got 2 of those in the box as well. I'm going to set that one aside. And then we have this big box here. Oh man, a lot of stuff. All right, this box right here has the amplifier set up. So this comes with the 2-channel and the 4-channel amplifiers. Comes with all the mounting hardware and everything that you need. It's all plug and play. If you notice the little end brackets, I'm sorry, not the end brackets, but the end plugs, it's all plug and play. All the wires are cut to specs. Everything on this package is ready to go without any cutting, any crimping, any tools needed besides your basic stuff. There's one in the box over there. Little box. Oh, and there's a little box in here. Oh yeah, this is the little controller right here. It's your Bluetooth controller. It gives you all the basic elements, which is your volume, track, pause, play, your mode. It plugs in. This is a plug and play piece as well. As you can see, it goes directly into the dash. I'm gonna put that aside here. And we've got this guy. This is the full amplifier kit as well as the dash kit. If you can kind of see, this dash kit here is where the controller goes in, the Bluetooth controller in the dash. This is the full amp wiring kit from Kicker and SSV. It's all plug and play connectors. It's got the antenna adapter. It's pretty much got every single thing, fuse block, all the ring terminals are already mounted for you, fuses, everything good to go in one box as well. And then last is going to be, I'm not even going to attempt to pull that out. This looks like the subwoofer enclosure. So this is the big full premium subwoofer enclosure. It's got a 10-inch comp VR shallow mount subwoofer already installed into the unit. Again, you notice the terminals are all ready to go, plug and play. You just pop it in, install it with some screws, and you're good to go.